Hi guys, Vinny Chopra here, Vinny and Bo show. Vinny and Bo, my brother right there, we've been doing it for about, 5 years now, I think, or something. Today we got a great guest. Actually, this is December, about 6th of December. We want to save on taxes. That's what has been on my mind because I paid so much taxes in October. And a lot of people in real estate, they are waiting for getting their cost segregation minus K1, K1, which is minus like in April or so or February. But if the deal is not done this year, and if it's not ready to be rented out, you cannot take the cost segregation. You cannot. It has to be open for business, and the revenues have to come in, and the occupancy has to start. So, actually, to be truthful, today's topic is about a very special thing. I've been very skeptical about oil and gas. As a matter of fact, you might say, Vinny, what are you talking about? You bet. I've heard some horror stories where the oil wells never come through and the drilling is done at the wrong place, and the money's gone and everything. So I want to share with you something very special. My very next door neighbor, I've known him for 30 years. He did exploring and interviewing last year, and he found this company, which is King Operating Corporation. And Michael is here, brother Michael is here, Senior Vice President. He invested with them. He was so happy that he invested again this year. Hold on. Then I'm investing also. So I'm not selling this to anybody, guys. It's not, it's for educational purposes only and entertainment purposes. We are not selling any security. But the key thing is for accredited investors who want to get 85% tax rebate deduction against their W 2 income, AGI, then please listen on, because not only this, my other two friends, a very good friend who is a big syndicator, Neil Baba, many of you know, he raised $9 million to invest into this one last year, just in December. My another student who actually is a good friend and he's raised money for me too, $22 million has been raising, and he's doing it every year and so on. Anyway, welcome, Mike. I really wanted to welcome you, and please share with us this opportunity. Bo, if you have some questions, please also chime in, brother. Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you, Vinny. So I'm going to share the screen here and kind of just jump right into it. But my name is Mike Circle. I'm one of the senior vice presidents at King Operating, and I've had the luxury of working with a friend of Vinny. So I will share here, and I'm just going to kind of get right into the meat and potatoes and just kind of show what I think a lot of the people that are on here would want to see. So what Vinny had just talked about, 100% of what you invest in oil and gas, you're able to go directly against your AGI. And the reason for that, I know, Vinny had brought up cost segregation with real estate. With oil and gas, there's a different terminology called IDCs, or intangible drilling costs. That was a Ronald Reagan bill that was passed that allows you to go against active income, passive income, as well as capital gains. And year one, you're able to capture a majority of this deduction. We have averaged 85% the last 3 years, which has been terrific. And then the second option is we do pay monthly revenue as well. As our wells are generating commercial amounts of hydrocarbons, we pay that out to the partners, and about 9 to 14%. But really what makes our program special, I mean, this is kind of the difference maker between us and all of the other companies that are out there, is that we look for a divestiture at the end within 3 to 5 years. And this is where we're targeting a 2.3x when we do divest and sell those assets. But I know on this, I really want to just stick to the tax portion of it.